Hi friends, this is Surratt. Surratt just had a really interesting sale that I've never seen them do before in my life, and I've been shopping at Surratt for a really long time. They had a 50% off on their site, which again, I've never seen them do. So I picked up some more brushes. I have 3 sets of these, but for 50% off, and I actually don't even use any of them. Well, that's not true. I use one of them occasionally. Who doesn't want more sets of brushes, right? Because, you know, these are collector's items, and these are beautifully made. So I picked up 3 of the face brushes that I love. And again, I already have 3 sets, but I'm buying more. So my favorite out of the Surratt brushes that were available, because a lot of them have sold out, and I have noticed that the brushes aren't being restocked, and I'm starting to wonder if they're just getting rid of the stock and then not making these anymore, and that would be an absolute travesty because these are beautiful brushes. Oh my God, ready? Look at this. I'm gonna pull this all the way up. Isn't that gorgeous? So this is the face brush. And it's made out of gray squirrel. This is actually of all my large brushes, this particular brush is the one that I use the most for finishing powder. Now, I don't know this for a fact, but it feels like Surratt has Chikuhodo making these. So here are some Chikuhodo brushes that I have on displayed. I don't use any of them. I don't know why, I just don't. But this is see, you can tell this is all dusty. This is the Chikuhodo Z collection. And I have a video that I have posted on my YouTube channel, and it does talk about the differences between the 2 brushes. Spoiler alert, I like this one better, even though it's probably made by the same company. This one is cheaper, this one is more expensive. This one has some beautiful coloring to it. This is just a basic black. This is not washed. It does puff out a little bit. So, and this is probably the only brush. 2 of them are put away. I don't even use them. They're stored away for protection. And then I just keep one out, which I use. This is gonna be stored away. I'm not gonna use this one. So this is the face brush. It's really good for finishing powders, and I do love it. But mostly I love it because it is a beautiful brush, and who wouldn't want a beautiful brush like this? The next brush is the highlight brush. I love this brush. Never use it, but I love it. And again, I already have 3 of these. The brush I really wanted, that I've been wanting for the last 2 years, but they have not restocked. And I did talk to them about it. I was like, are you restocking it? And they're like, oh yeah, sure. And then I've never seen it restocked, so I don't know. Is this highlighter brush. So soft. I own 4 of these now. This is my 4th. And I have never used this brush. But look at how pretty it is. Who cares, right? If I really like a brush, I buy multiples of them. And the last brush is the Sculpt brush. This is a mix of Sakaho goat hair and gray squirrel. So this is the only one that's a mixed brush. And the reason why is probably to give it more of a dense feeling, because when you're sculpting with bronzer or whatever, you wanna have something a little bit more firmer. Aren't these beautiful? I don't know what's going on with Surratt. I don't know what's going on with Surratt, but I'm not feeling this. I don't want them to discontinue it. So please, Mr. Surratt, please do not discontinue these brushes. They are so beautiful. And I know the hair is very hard to find right now, but please, please don't do it. But it's okay if you do, because I have 4 sets of them now, so. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.